Good morning, dear student. Today I am going to teach you EVS subject. So first of all, I will tell the full form of EVS. EVS means environmental science. So what is mean by environment? The condition in which you live, work, etc. Means the natural world. For example, the land, air, and water in which people, animal, and plant live. So we do study all these things in the in the EVS subject. So our first chapter is going to school. So how do you go to school? Many students goes to school by bus. Some students goes to school by auto rickshaw. Some students may ride bicycle to go to school, and some children walk on the foot to go to school. Uh, Means going to school is easy for us, but in our India there are some places, some regions, some state, their student face so many difficulties to reach the school. So today we will meet some children, those who face difficulties to go to school. First let us meet some children and see how they reach the school. So अभी हम आज कुछ बच्चों को मिलने वाले हैं. They are belong from different state. First one is Assam. So Assam students are, so we will see what they are saying. Assam students are telling us we are using a bamboo bridge to reach the school. So they are telling it is rain so much where we live. Sometimes after the rain there is a knee high water everywhere, but that does not stop us from getting to school. We hold our books in one hand and bamboo with other hands. We quickly cross the bamboo and rope bridge to reach the school. So that student are telling कि in rainy season हमारे यहाँ पे जो water bodies है उसमें पानी बहुत ज़्यादा जमा हो जाता है. Then that time we are not able to cross this river, that pond. So that time we build bamboo bridge, and with the help of bamboo bridge we reach the. Next we have Ladakh. Ladakh is a place in our India. There student used trolley to reach the school. So they are telling us every day we have to cross the river to get to school. The river is wide and deep. There is a strong iron rope across the river. So that student are telling कि for going to school we have to cross that river, and the river is very deep and wide. Deep means far down and wide means very broad, बहुत बड़ी. So we can't cross that bridge. We can't cross that river without any bridge or trolley. So that time we use trolley to reach the school. So what is mean by trolley? Trolley means an open box made up of wood, और उसमें जो आयरन रॉप हम यूज़ करते हैं, वी यूज़ आयरन रॉप टू बिल्ड द ट्रॉली और टू टाई द ट्रॉली. तो उस जो रॉकी माउंटेन है हमारे यहाँ पे, तो वो रोप के दोनों एंड्स दोनों माउंटेन को टाई किए जाते हैं टाइटली. देन देयर इज़ अ ट्रॉली. देन वी अटैच दिस ट्रॉली टू दैट rope. 4 or 5 of us sit in the trolley. A pulley helps the trolley to move across the rope. We reach the other side of the river in a very short time. So that student are telling you with the help of this trolley we sit in the trolley, and then because of the pulley it get easier to pull दैट ट्रॉली को पुल करने के लिए जो पुली होती है उसकी वजह से इजीली हम एक साइड से दूसरे साइड में क्रॉस हो जाते हैं. एंड इट टुक्स अ वेरी शॉर्ट टाइम, और इसके लिए बहुत कम समय लगता है. सो यू कैन सी देयर इज़ अ पिक्चर्स. one boy is means that boy is using pulley, and that other boy is not using that. First picture you can see the boy is not using pulley, but in second boy that boy is using pulley to draw the water. So observe this picture first and second. In this picture the children are pulling the buckets from the well से वो bucket से पानी निकाल रहे. Can you tell their difference in the both pictures? Which would be easier, using the pulley or not using it to lift things? See, the first boy is pulling out bucket with the bare hand. Bare hand matlab that boy is not using that pulley, but the second boy is using a pulley. Pulley makes it easier to pull, and because of this pulley that पानी निकालने के लिए उसको क्या हो रहा है, उसकी हेल्प हो रही है. बट इन द फर्स्ट पिक्चर दैट बॉय इज़ नॉट यूजिंग पुली, सो दैट्स वाई उसको वो पानी निकालना क्या हो रहा है, बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट जा रहा है. Now we have cement bridge. So we often need to go across some water bodies. So we use bridges. These are made up of cement, bricks, iron rod. The bridge may also have steps. So that cement bridge is mainly built on the water bodies. जो water bodies होती है, river, pond, lake, उसमें उसके ऊपर ये cement bridge build किया जाता है. And for building this cement bridge, iron rod, bricks इसका use होता है. And it is easier to walk. और उसको steps भी होते हैं. So we can easily climb up and walk down on that bridge. So here are some questions we will see. How is the bridge different from a bamboo bridge? The bridge is made up of cement, bricks and iron rod, and it is wide and stable compared to the bamboo bridge. Means cement bridge is easier to walk as compared to bamboo bridge. How many people do you think can cross the bridge at one time? On this bridge, how many people or how many students can cross at one time? It may be means about 20 peoples or 25 peoples may cross the bridge at one time, because it is a pakka type of bridge. If you had a chance, which bridge would you like to use? Why? अगर आपको चांस दिया कि आपको तीनों में से कौन से ब्रिज पे चलना आप पसंद करोगे, आई नो दैट यू वुड लाइक टू यूज सीमेंट ब्रिज बिकॉज इट इज़ ईजियर टू वॉक एंड सेफ ऑल्सो. Okay, we saw कि bamboo bridge is very risky to walk on that bridge. Reaching school is very harder in mountain area. Mountain area means in Ladakh we saw that in mountain area is not good for the vehicles. So here you can see mountain area is not good for the vehicles. So these students use trolley to reach the school, and sometime they climb up and walk down to reach the school. Means they face so many difficulties to reach the school. Imagine what different difficulties there would be if the bridge was not there. What difficulties they will face if the bridges will not be there. You can see this question is given here. So people would not be able to cross rivers. They would have to use boats or to travel a long distance. अगर वहाँ पे bridges नहीं होंगी तो it will take very more time टू रीच ऑन देयर डेस्टिनेशन प्लेस. डेस्टिनेशन मतलब जहाँ पे उनको पहुँचना है, वहाँ पे पहुँचने के लिए उनको बहुत टाइम लगेगा. ब्रिजेस, बिकॉज ऑफ द ब्रिजेस दे रीच ऑन टाइम, मतलब टाइम पे वो ब्रिजेस की वजह से पहुँच पाते हैं. सो इन आवर इंडिया देयर आर और भी कुछ ज़्यादा प्लेसेस है वहाँ पे स्टूडेंट फेस में सो मेनी डिफिकल्टीज. सो वी विल सी सम अदर वेज बाय विच चिल्ड्रंस गेट टू द स्कूल. सो अभी हम ऑल और कुछ स्टेट के बारे में देखेंगे कि हाउ दी स्टूडेंट रीच द स्कूल. फर्स्ट वन इज़ अ वल्लम. Vallam is a type of boat, and it is used in Kerala to reach the school. केरला के जो बच्चे हैं वो स्कूल में जाने के लिए वल्लम में बैठ के जाते हैं. वल्लम इज अ टाइप ऑफ बोट. यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर दैट बॉयज आर traveling in this Vallam. Have you seen any other kind of boat? I think everyone have seen different types of boats. Can you think of other ways by which we travel on water? You know that boat is used to travel on water. So इससे बोट छोड़ के और कौन से व्हीकल्स यूज़ किए जाते हैं? तो वो है मोटर बोट, स्ट्रीम्स एंड शिप. Now next we have camel cart. Many places in our India there are not pakka road. Because of the road, even in Rajasthan many children used camel cart to reach the school, but it is rare. So what that student are telling us, we live in desert area. There is a sand all around. It gets very hot in the day. We ride in a camel cart to reach the school. So desert means what? Desert means a large area of land, usually covered with the sand, that is hot and has very little water and very few plants. मतलब desert means रेत. दैट स्टूडेंट आर टेलिंग कि हम जहाँ पे रहते हैं वहाँ पे देर इज़ अ सैंड ऑल अराउंड, सब जगह पे सैंड होती है, एंड उसकी वजह एंड इन आवर प्लेसेस देर इज़ अ वेरी लिटिल वाटर एंड ट्रीज भी बहुत कम होते हैं. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस दैट टेम्परेचर इज़ वेरी हॉट. देन दैट टाइम वी यूज़ camel car to reach the school. In rural area, student used bullock car to reach the school. Going to school is a big challenge for them. So you can see here is bullock cart. Okay, so bullock cart is mostly used in village. So that student are telling we ride in our bullock carts going slowly through the green fields. If it is too sunny or raining, we use our umbrellas.